Hey, it's John-Marc, and thanks for checking out this latest drawing video on teaching you how to draw cartoons in 3 easy steps. Well, again, this is part of the October month that we're currently in right now, and I thought of doing this little wacky, silly spider. So if you're afraid of spiders, woohoo, you're not going to be afraid of this one, I bet. Anyway, so what I'd like to challenge you with this one is very simply, when you do this one, do several ones following it. Maybe change the face, the eyes, the mouth, the angle, put a hat on it, do something silly with it. So just use it as a element that you can add things to. So that's what I wanted to share, and if you have your pencil and paper, I think we're ready to begin this little silly little spider. Here's step 1. And here's step 2. And here's the final third step. Don't forget to stop at our website, that's jmg-studio.biz. If you enjoyed this video, I'm sure you're going to enjoy our latest drawing book that's now available on our website, How to Draw 50 Cute Cartoons. So make sure you stop at our website, that's jmg-studio.biz. And thanks a lot.